Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Annie Haslam. And we are going to react to the song Going Home. This is our first time listen to this song. It will be a single take and on its reaction.
First time I think we are listening to this artist.
Annie Haslam, yeah.
It's for
Renee.
Renee.
Okay, going home. Towards the end, when they were all chanting home, it sounded more like om, and there is hardly any difference when the sound is extended of home to om. That was nice. This was relaxing. This was definitely very calming and relaxing to listen to. It sounded more like a choir, gospel like music, yeah, somewhat spiritual, and if I have to connect with it. I think it's a song for those who are departing from the world and going into the eternal life. So this could be a choice for people's funeral service and things like that. That's what I'm thinking about. Where your journey is endless. You're just leaving this place and you're going home. Once again, your soul is leaving for home, the real home. I like the way it was written. I like the way it was all explained. I like the way it was sung. I like the backup, the other voices, other people who were singing. It gave a very holistic sound to it. It was very natural, and the echo, the sound that was created was very nice to listen to on the first listen. It sounded very, very good. On your mind, it is very soothing, very, very relaxing. Listening to this music on a daily basis would be a tough choice to make for a lot of people, because it's not something that will entertain us, but it may put us in a very deep state. So whether one can listen to it every day, I doubt. But listening to it once in a while and connecting with things, thinking over things, reflecting on things, realities of life and all, would be helpful. I liked her voice. She's got a very strong voice, and I think while after listening to this song, that she may be having even a higher range in her voice, because this was easy on her voice to do whatever was done in this song. So I'm thinking if she pushes her limits, she may be able to raise things even higher than this. What about you, Sabri?
I've heard this song somewhere before.
In the church?
I don't think it was sung by this particular artist though, but I've heard a version of this song somewhere.
Okay.
Sounds extremely familiar. Having said that, this artist has one of the most refreshing voices, so clear, so loud, so beautiful to listen to. It was soothing, it was serene, it was remarkably blissful to listen to this. It's very, very beautiful to listen to, and it has very deep relevance and meaning to lots of people. All of us die someday, and this song will connect with every single person, especially those who are on the verge of passing into the next life or heaven or whatever it is that they believe that they are passing into. Oh, so this is definitely a nice song to play it for someone who's on their deathbed or someone who's just passed at their funeral service. Beautiful song, beautiful song. Initially, I did feel it was about someone just going back home.
Yeah, me
like
too.
John Denver's Country Roads, Take Me Home. So I thought it was something on those lines. But then as it went on and on, I realized with the sadness in her voice and the way it was sung and the lines, the way it was repeating itself, I realized it may have the same meaning that Kirti said. Beautiful song. I love listening to it. On the first listen to this artist probably. But again, I could be wrong. We've heard so many songs, it's sometimes difficult to keep track. I've definitely heard this song before, but I don't think by this artist. I'm interested in knowing if this is a cover or this is an original. If it's a cover, it's a remarkable cover, brilliant cover, and I'm looking forward to listen to the original.
Thank you for your time.